Hello guys, I'm Bernardo.
Hello guys, before start the video I want to explain something quick to you. You can see two different videos in here. Left side before using Growth Pro Max Plus Kit and right side after using 8 months supply of Growth Pro Max Plus Kit. You can see the difference already, but I want to pay attention some points. You can look at the door. I'm stopped in the near door and door lines is same. I want to show you that. You can look at the top line of door is same. Also you can look at the door handle in the same straight line. But when you look at my shoulder, you can see right side much higher and you can see difference, and I'm definitely grow taller guys. So I want to show this and why I record that kind of video. I used Growth Pro Max Plus Kit, but before Growth Pro I also used Growth Sinerama. In that time, so many people request to me, Bernardo, did you record some before after photo near of the door? So in that time I didn't record anything while using Growth Sinerama because I just focused the growth taller and I didn't care to show some proof people. But after using the Growth Sinerama, I know what people want and I want to show future proof, some things like this. So I record some video before using Growth Sinerama, which is left side on the video. I was 177 centimeter in that time, and after using Growth Pro Max Plus Kit 8 months supply, I recorded again in the same place some video. So after using Growth Pro Max Plus Kit, I am 195.5 centimeter guys. So I wanted to say to you this. First, left side video will play and stop. After finish, right side video will play, and I want to say to you some things about the growth taller. So let's begin the video. See you guys.
I am 177 centimeter now, and finally I get my Growth Pro Max Plus Kit. I saved long time my money for get this product, and I wish I can grow taller. I am 177 centimeter now, and it's 8 months supplies. I record this video for feature, and I wish I can grow taller after 8 months. I will share my results every month and you can see my process. I wish I can grow taller. Is height of this door. You will see the difference. After complete kit, I will record video in this place again. See you guys. Finally I grow taller. I am 195.5 centimeter now. Yes, this is huge change. This is life changer. I feel much more confident and my life completely changed. I cannot tell you how I feel. I feel great guys. If you want to grow taller, don't think anything. Don't lose the 1 minute from life. You cannot imagine how is wonderful thing when you grow taller. I feel like superhero. I feel like different human. I cannot tell my confidence and life changing. I cannot tell you guys, and I want to tell you thank you for supporting me. All great messages. Before 8 months ago, before Growth Pro Max Plus Kit, using it, I recorded some video in here, and I said I wish I can grow taller near the doorstep. And let's see. I can see. You can see. Everything changed, guys. Everything changed. I say to you, don't lose 1 minute. This product works. Don't listen anybody. Don't listen negative things. Even you do best thing on life, every time comes a hater. Every time they has some comments, idea. I will continue this channel and I give you very good tips, nutrition, exercises, and another tips about grow taller. Just follow me and you can grow taller. See you guys.